Good morning, people. Today is a Sunday morning in Sydney lockdown. Sydney has been locked down since last 2 months, and we are just staying at home, just going out for groceries and walks. So today I'm sharing a day in our lives in lockdown. So on a normal day, I usually walk out in the morning and then have my bath. But today is a Sunday, so I'm taking it as a rest day, and I've just taken my shower. And also during the weekend, I usually do all the cleaning and laundry. So as today is a Sunday, I also had an off yesterday, so I have done my laundry and all cleaning things yesterday. My hair dryer stopped working last week, so my hair are kind of wet right now. I'm thinking of going for a walk in the sunlight so my hair dries a little bit, and Parth is still sleeping, and today we are just going to have a little bit of a chill day with grocery and might go out just in the park. So even during the weekdays when I'm working, I try to go out for a walk at least once in a day, and it gets very cold inside the house. So we try to go out for a walk around lunchtime, and we usually have a meeting free zone between 12 to 1. So I always try to have my lunch and go for 10-15 minutes or maybe 30 minutes of light walk during the day. It's a good sunny day today. Winter has also officially ended. Almost feels like summer during the day, and nights are not freezing cold now. So weather is really good for a holiday and a vacation, but we can't have one right now.
And thereafter, I like to kickstart my day with a good dose of meditation.
Parth has woken up finally.
Thank you.
With meditation. So this meditation has been our weekend ritual for past too many weeks, I think more than a year now. So this has really helped me improve everything as I wanted. So I have continued doing the meditations.
It's too windy today.
So we are going for our grocery shopping. Parth has opened the roof of our car, and we are going to the nearest shopping mall to get our groceries for the week. And it's really nice and sunny. Looks like summer has already started.
When going for groceries, I just make a list of things that I am going to need for the week. It just makes my shopping much easier and faster. I don't have to spend time thinking if I need something or not.
Shopping is done. We are going to Harris Park to grab some lunch. I am very hungry, but Parth is not. We took takeaway of Pani Puri. There is an auntie here who makes really good Pani Puri. She has 9 flavors of Pani, and I have got 2 flavors, garlic and spicy, for both of us. And we are taking another starter called Malai Chap Rolls from the restaurant which is Amritsarya. Very hungry, very hungry.
I never knew sitting in the park and having a meal could be so important for me.
We just spotted a really beautiful street or a really beautiful area in the park. This park is very near to our house, but we never saw this beautiful row of trees. It is so pretty. Wait, I'll show you.
I am truly amazed by the beauty that nature has to offer, and especially by the fact that such a beautiful place existed so near to our home. And we never knew about it.
Those are all bats. It's almost sunset time. It's 6 p.m. and it is getting a little dark, and we are returning back to home now. After grocery, we haven't gone home. Just came home.
बस 2 मिनट में आया.
I was feeling a little cold, so I've just changed into this sweater and I've kept all the groceries in place, and now it's time for dinner. Let's prepare the dinner now.
What I'm making right now is a spinach mushroom pasta. It is a recipe that both of us absolutely love, and it is quite frequently made in our home. While having dinner every day, we usually watch a good show or a movie, or just talk to our families or friends overseas.
So after the dinner and watching half or somewhat movie, we have came to the park to play badminton.
I have grown up playing badminton with my brother during our summer holidays, and I feel that the lockdown has really given me a chance to do the things that I really liked. I have started finding time in my schedule for such activities. The last part of our evenings is filled by catching up with our friends and families. And just before ending the day, I place the dishes in the dishwasher so that they get cleaned, washed, and ready to use the next morning. That's how simple my days are going on now. Good night, and thank you for watching. If you like us, do consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time we publish a new video. And make sure you post a comment telling us which part of the day did you like the most.